Sometimes when you're building a new optic system, you'll find that certain components from different brands just don't fit each other. This is when you might want to make a custom adapter piece. But first you'll want to be able to test to see if it actually fits. This is what makes this a really good candidate for 3D printing. We can send this design over to our 3D slicing software, which preps the file to be 3D printed, and then we can send it to our 3D printer. Within an hour we should know if it fits.